Hi guys, this is Cameron and I'm back unboxing this 42 piece set of 8-ounce juice bottles. I'm actually going to be using them as spice bottles. So I have just cut open the box here and let's open them up to see. Okay, so on top we have these juice labels. So if you are using these for juice, that will be perfect. I think these are supposed to be waterproof vinyl labels. Then we have a scrub brush with a handle here. Then we have a little collapsible funnel. That is nice, but that will be great for my spices as well. And then I have all of our bottles here. So these are 8-ounce bottles, and you can use these for juice. I am using them for my spice cabinet because I have a lot of large spice bottles. So here we go. That is nice. And I love that it has a little scrub brush and a funnel here. So cute. So I hope this unboxing was helpful.